All right, we got the GoPro Hero 8 out there. First video you're gonna see, it's shot pretty much normally. Second video, we pro-tuned it thanks to my buddy Calvin. So I think you'll see a little difference. The wind was obviously a lot windier the second day than the first day, but you can definitely check out all the vibrance, color stabilization. It's pretty killer. Check it out. Stay tuned.
Okay, so check this out. Here's the idea today. We're gonna do a little kite surfing adventure on Sama Nation here, and heading up to Muskegon, where I'm gonna meet up with Mark and Pat. And here's our idea. It's probably gonna get pretty kitty wampus. It's probably gonna be like by the time it's all done. But here's the plan. Okay, so Mark's gonna be using the surf foil, which if you're not familiar with that, Google it. The surf foil. And Pat, he's gonna tow behind Pat, who's gonna be kiting, and Mark's gonna be holding onto a rope while he's towing behind the surf foil, and then I'm gonna go behind with the new GoPro Hero 8 camera. So I'm gonna be the cameraman, Pat's gonna be the tower, Mark's gonna be the surfer. The idea is, the waves are not that big today, so we're gonna try to tow in to some bigger waves further on the outside and see if Mark can link them together and surf foil them all the way to the beach with me behind him as a cameraman. So check it out, here we go. Up the jam, pump it up while your feet are stomping and the jam is pumping. Look ahead, the pride is stomping. Pump it up a little more, get the party going on the dance floor. You see, cause that's where the party's at. You find out when you do that. Hey, I don't see anything that can go wrong with this. I think this is a great plan. I mean, get your head, your leg, anything wrapped around it.
We've done it before. Yeah.
I'm surprised you're into this, but I like it. Let's do it. It turned out to be a super mellow session. It was pretty cool. I'm riding one of my surfboards, just kind of cruising. Actually, it was pretty warm out, just a phenomenal, beautiful day. Really can't complain, just cruising around out there, sun in the sky, water, not crazy windy, but super, super fun. Well, we weren't really able to get the tow-in thing going, just not enough wind, not enough wave. But we had a blast, just another beautiful day in the state of Michigan. Again, you just gotta find a way to get out there, find a way to session. A session a day keeps a psychiatrist away, I always say. It's tough to do sometimes. I struggle with myself, but it's definitely worth it to get out there and get after it.
Hey, well, we didn't get the, the pull behind, tow at kind of foil surfing or whatever we're looking to do, but that's okay. We'll maybe get another good day tomorrow. It's supposed to blow 25 knots northwest, gonna be cold, might even snow. It's May, what, 8th? Snow? Yeah. Hey, we'll stay stoked to Michigan. We'll see you next time.
All right, so the next day was off the hook. I mean, really windy. But I gotta send mad props out to my buddy Calvin because he showed me how to do the protune on the GoPro Hero 8. So I think you'll like the way the footage looks. It looks a lot cooler, even though it really didn't pick up how crazy it was out there. But the footage is pretty smooth for the new camera.
Riders on the storm, dun, 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 dun. Riders on the storm. It's a little windy out here, friends. It's a little windy. Hey, good, how you doing? Yeah, it's a little windy. Yeah. It could get real. Yeah. It's a little sketchy. A little sketchy.
Okay, so now we got the protune set up, and I'd have to go into a lot of detail about what we did, but we adjusted some settings, and I think it just looks great. I mean, very vibrant. It's a little cloudier day, so it's not exactly the same, but I mean, just look at those colors. I mean, look at that stabilization. And the audio, we're able to do some wind settings. It's a little better, it's not great, but we're still gonna work on it. Way better than the Hero 3. Well, friendly friends, it's been just another amazing day in Michigan. We kited, and tomorrow it's going to be some more waves. It's going to be cold, but we're not going to sit around wasting time worrying about the temperature. No, we're just going to get out there and session it. We're going to get out there and do it. You know why? Because every day, you're just one day older. It's like your whole life. If you think of your whole life being like a bucket full of BBs, and every BB is a day in your life, you never want to take one of those BBs and just like chuck it off the side and go, oh, that one sucked. Man, that one sucked. Because you get in a habit of that. You want to take those BBs out and go, dude, that was an epic BB. You know what? We're going to have another awesome BB again tomorrow. And that's just the way to live. No matter how many BBs you got in your bucket, you just never know. Some people might have a full bucket. Some people might only have half a bucket. You don't want to waste any of those BBs. So, hey, stay stoked in Michigan, friends, because it's the best way to live. See you next time.